BBS BEAMS Varanasi. Fast Memorization and Fast Calculation Training Center. BBS BEAMS Varanasi is dedicated to improving students' memory power, concentration, calculation speed, confidence, and learning ability through modern brain training techniques and practical education methods. Under the guidance of Arvind Kumar Singh, students receive quality education, counseling, and skill development training for academic and personal success. The institution provides professional courses, workshops, counseling programs, and educational guidance for students, teachers, schools, and parents. The aim is to develop mental strength, creative thinking, fast learning ability, and personality growth. Courses and fees. NLP Training Program. Fee 9,999 Indian rupees. Neuro Linguistic Programming training helps students improve communication skills, confidence, memory, focus, goal setting, and personality development. Abacus and Vedic Mathematics. Fee 15,000 Indian rupees. This program improves fast calculation, concentration, mental math ability, and problem-solving skills through abacus and Vedic mathematics techniques. Basic Vedic Mathematics. Fee 999 Indian rupees. Basic Vedic Mathematics training teaches easy and fast mathematical tricks for students of all levels. Basic NLP course. Fee 999 Indian rupees. This introductory NLP course helps students understand positive thinking, communication improvement, and confidence building. Basic Abacus course. Fee 1,500 Indian rupees. Basic Abacus training develops brain activation, concentration, and quick calculation skills in children. News admission and education support. Fee 35,000 Indian rupees. Complete guidance for news admission, subject selection, education support, preparation strategies, and student counseling. News admission and information service. Fee 20,000 Indian rupees. Admission assistance and educational information for students interested in open schooling and flexible education. Brain test and counseling. Fee 5,500 Indian rupees. Scientific brain analysis and counseling sessions for career guidance, learning improvement, and confidence development. School workshop program. Fee 5,500 Indian rupees. Interactive workshops for schools focusing on memory improvement, brain training, motivation, and personality development. One-day school workshop. Fee 555 Indian rupees. Affordable one-day awareness workshop for students on brain development, fast learning, and motivation. Mid-brain activation program. Fee 11,000 Indian rupees. Special training program designed to improve concentration, creativity, confidence, intuition, and learning ability in children. Brain test counseling and mid-brain activation. Fee 15,000 Indian rupees. Combined package including brain testing, counseling, and mid-brain activation training for overall child development. Why choose BBS BEAMS Varanasi? Fast memorization techniques, fast calculation methods, brain training activities, career counseling support, student motivation programs, personality development training, scientific learning methods, child development programs, practical education system, experienced training guidance. BBS BEAMS Varanasi believes in learning with confidence, creativity, discipline, and practical knowledge. The institution continuously works to help students achieve educational excellence and personal success. Contact information. BBS BEAMS Varanasi. Mobile number 9453081534.